Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Approach. My today topic is the type of gears and their application. Let's start. What is a gear? Gear क्या है? Gear are mechanisms to transfer motion from one shaft to another shaft. What is the type of gear? Types of gear. So the first type of gear is spur gear, second helical, third herringbone and double helical gear, fourth one rack and pinion gear, fifth one bevel gears, and the sixth worm wheel, and 7 each hypoid gears, and 8 internal gear. Let's start one by one each and every gear applications. Let's start about the spur gear. Spur gear क्या होते हैं? Spur gear are a type of simple gears that have teeth parallel to the gear axis. They are used to power transfer between parallel shafts. Applications of spur gears. Spur gear are mostly used to reduce speed and increase torque for low speed applications. इसके uses mixer and blender, washing machine, bicycle, machine and mechanical clock, etc. Advantage of spur gear: simple construction. This spur gear construction is very simple. Easy manufacture, low cost, high efficiency. Various gear ratio can be achieved. There are some disadvantages of spur gears. Disadvantage: the spur gears, when it's running between the another gear in high RPM, it create noise. So there is disadvantage is its spur gear are noisy. Now second number is helical gears. Helical gears have teeth inclined to the gear axis for the same width. Helical gears have longer teeth compared to spur gear. Therefore, helical gear transfer more power between parallel shaft compared to spur gear. This helical gear, the teeth structure like that. So the application: helical gears are used to transfer heavy load at very high speed between parallel shaft. Its usage: automotive gearboxes, printing and other machinery, conveyors and elevator, factory automation, etc. Its advantage of helical gears: helical gear high load carrying capacity and contact ratio compared to spur gear. Smoother and quicker than spur gear. Good precision rating. Now there are some disadvantages of helical gear: lower efficiency compared to spur gears. Helix angle also increase axial thrust on the shaft. This those angle create axial thrust on the shaft. हमारा तीसरा गियर है herringbone and double helical gears. And double helical gear and herringbone both are the merge of two helical gears. Similar like, but both are opposite. Here in double helical there are two helical gears and herringbone also. These are opposites, this opposite gear. Now double helical has opposite helical teeth with groove in between the teeth, and herringbone gears does not have a groove. There is groove in double helical and there is no groove. Both gear are used to transfer power between parallel shaft. Okay, now advantage: reduce axial force. This both gear reduce axial force. Smooth transmission and engagement. Its engagement of these gears is very smoothly. Reduce noise. Self centering capability. It auto adjusting each other. High load capacity. There are some disadvantages of herringbone and double helical gears. Difficult to manufacture and high cost. So 4 types है rack and pinion gears. A rack is a bar shaft. This one is bar shaft. This called rack, and this gear is called pinion. Cylindrical gear with infinite radius, whereas pinion is a type of spur gear. They are used to convert rotation motion into linear motion. Application of rack and pinion: convert car steering wheel rotation into slide motion of wheel. Another, lifting mechanism or shaper machine. फिफ्थ है हमारा बेवल गियर. बेवल गियर classified in 2 parts: straight bevel gear and spiral bevel gear. Bevel gear have a cone surface and its teeth are cut along that cone surface. This type of gear are used to transfer motion in perpendicular direction at higher velocity ratios and carrying high load. It's mostly used in automotive. Differentials are right angle drive, etc. Positioning equipment, garden equipment and machine tool, lathe and milling machine. छठवां है हमारा वर्म एंड वर्म व्हील. ये वर्म गियर है. ये हमारा वर्म एक स्क्रू टाइप का, यहाँ पे इसके साथ the worm and worm wheel has a sliding contact at a worm similar to a screw, this one, and a worm gear helical gear, this one, they are used in right angle screw shaft to reduce friction. Worm is manufactured in soft material. These applications, elevator and lift, tuning instruments such as a guitar, off-road vehicle. Advantage, gear engagement occurs without any shock. Compact drive, quicker operation, high reduction ratios 8 to 400. There are some disadvantages of worm and worm wheel. Considerable amount of heat is produced due to friction. Low efficiency 40 to 90%. Lubrication is required because there are friction. Higher speed ratio gears are non-reversible. There is 7 number spiral gear. Spiral gear are also known as crossed helical gears with high helix angle. They are used to transmit power between two non-intersecting. Here, non-intersecting, non-parallel shaft. This one shaft like that, another is axis is like this. So, non-parallel shaft at rotating low load and low speed. Application, these are mostly used in instruments and sieving machines. Disadvantage of spiral gears, poor precision rating. Next one is hypoid gears. A hypoid gear is a type of spiral bevel gears whose axis does not intersect with the axis of the meshing gears. The shape of hypoid gear is revolved hyperboloid. In other words, the pitch surface of hypoid gear is a hyperbolic surface. Applications, hypoid gears are typically used in rear drive automobile drive trains because they can transfer maximum torque. Their last one, internal gear, transmits power between parallel shaft. In this, the larger gear has teeth on the inner side, periphery, this inner side, and both driver and driven gear run in the same direction. Its application involving planetary gear drives, planetary, solar and star gear coupling. Advantage, very compact in size, and disadvantage, not recommended for precision meshes because of design, fabrication and inspection limitations. Now, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.